ACEVETOL Trinity, Next General Air Mobility. The ACEV Trinity is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to change how we think about short-distance air travel. Created by ACEV, a company based in Perth, Western Australia, the Trinity is built for both passenger and cargo transport. It's versatile enough to be used as an air taxi, for private or corporate trips, or even in life-saving roles like emergency medical services. The cabin is designed with accessibility in mind, offering space for 4 to 7 passengers and wheelchair access. The aircraft's tandem wing design, complete with winglets, helps improve stability and efficiency during flight. But what really sets the Trinity apart is its tech. Plans include an AI-powered flight management system, a low Earth orbit satellite connection, and a virtual reality pilot interface for an immersive control experience. With this mix of accessibility, innovation, and sustainability, the ACEV Trinity aims to make advanced air mobility a practical reality. Flying car. The Renault Air 4 is where classic car nostalgia meets futuristic flight. Inspired by Renault's iconic 4L, a beloved model from the 1960s to the 1990s, this concept transforms the vintage design into a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) flying vehicle. The original Renault 4L was famous for being simple, practical, and reliable, and the Air 4 keeps that charm while giving it a radical, high-tech twist. The familiar boxy shape is still there, but now it's paired with powerful rotors that let it rise straight into the air. This isn't just about looks, it's a bold statement about the future of urban mobility. The Air 4 is designed to handle crowded cities by skipping the traffic entirely, soaring above roads instead of crawling through them. It blends retro style with cutting-edge engineering, showing that tomorrow's vehicles can be both stylish and incredibly functional. In short, it's a tribute to the past that's ready to fly into the future. Duroni H1X, the two-seater flying machine for the city skies. The Duroni H1X is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to make urban air mobility a reality. Compact and stylish, it weighs in at just under 1,850 pounds, 839 kilograms, and comfortably seats 2 passengers. Powered by 10 electric motors, it can reach speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, 193 km per hour, and travel as far as 60 miles, 97 kilometers, on a single charge. Perfect for quick trips across the city. For vertical lift and 2 electric ducted fans for forward flight, which not only boost efficiency but also help reduce noise. Safety is a priority too. The H1X comes equipped with anti-collision sensors and a built-in ballistic parachute. With its blend of speed, safety, and convenience, this could be the personal flying vehicle city commuters have been waiting for. Lilium Jet, quiet, fast, and built for city-to-city travel. The Lilium Jet is an eVTOL aircraft designed for regional air mobility, giving passengers a faster, cleaner way to travel between cities. Its sleek design seats 5 people, 1 pilot and 4 passengers, and uses 36 electric ducted fans built into its wings and canards. This setup gives the aircraft both lift and forward thrust, while also keeping it quiet and aerodynamic. Capable of reaching 175 miles per hour, 280 kilometers per hour, with a range of over 155 miles, 250 kilometers. The Lilium Jet can cover journeys that normally take hours by car in just a fraction of the time. Built with advanced materials and safety-focused engineering, it's expected to enter commercial service by 2026. Once operational, the Lilium Jet could replace many short-haul flights and even reduce highway congestion, offering an eco-friendly alternative to regional travel. Michigan 32, Heavy Lift Helicopter. The Michigan 32 is a futuristic heavy-lift helicopter concept from Russian Helicopters, part of the country's defense industry. While it hasn't been built yet, it's been the subject of discussions and speculation about what the next generation of cargo helicopters could look like. If developed, the Michigan 32 would likely be designed to carry extremely large and heavy loads, similar to the legendary Mi-26, which is currently one of the biggest and most powerful helicopters in the world. The Michigan 26 can haul up to 20 tons, making it a true workhorse for military, industrial, and rescue operations. The Michigan 32 could take this capability to a new level, with even stronger lifting power, better fuel efficiency, and advanced avionics for safer, smarter flying. By using modern materials and upgraded systems, it could offer improved performance, longer range, and higher payload capacity, essentially becoming the next evolution in heavy-lift aviation technology. Flying train concept. Imagine a train that doesn't just follow tracks, it can also take to the skies. That's the idea behind the flying train concept, a bold vision that merges the comfort of rail travel with the speed and flexibility of flight. Developed as part of AKA's futuristic mobility plans, the flying train would use advanced air-based technology, similar to drones or hybrid aircraft, to lift certain sections of the train above the ground. This means it could bypass obstacles, avoid congestion, and travel much faster than traditional trains. On the ground, it would work like a regular high-speed rail system, but when needed, it could switch into flight mode for long-distance journeys. The concept also emphasizes sustainability, exploring electric or hybrid propulsion to reduce emissions and environmental impact. The goal is to give passengers the best of both worlds: train-level comfort combined with the freedom and speed of air travel, creating a whole new way to move between cities. Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, the heavyweight champion of the skies. The Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy is one of the largest and most capable military transport aircraft ever built. Designed for strategic airlift missions, it can carry enormous payloads, including helicopters, armored vehicles, and other oversized military equipment, across continents without stopping. Powered by 4 massive General Electric F-138 engines, each producing over 50,000 pounds of thrust, the C-5M cruises at speeds of about 518 miles per hour and can fly as high as 45,000 feet. Its cargo bay is huge, 121 feet long, nearly 14 feet high, and 19 feet wide. With a maximum takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds, it's built to move the kind of loads no other plane can handle. Upgraded avionics and a modern maintenance system make it more efficient and reliable than its predecessors. For global military operations, the C-5M is an irreplaceable workhorse, able to deliver critical supplies and equipment anywhere in the world, fast. Insane 1950s Vickers Swallow, Britain's radical tailless bomber concept. In the 1950s, during the tense years of the Cold War, British aircraft manufacturer Vickers Armstrong dreamed up something truly unconventional: the Vickers Swallow, a nuclear bomber concept unlike anything seen before. Its most shocking feature? No tail. At the time, this was a radical move, as almost every plane relied on a tail for stability and control. The idea was to optimize the bomber's aerodynamics so well that a tail simply wouldn't be needed, reducing drag and allowing for faster speeds. Swept-back wings. Perfect for high-speed, high-altitude flight, and intended to carry nuclear weapons deep into enemy territory. It was meant to outrun enemy fighters and avoid radar detection, striking swiftly if ever needed. While it never left the drawing board, the Vickers Swallow stands as a bold example of how engineers in the 1950s pushed boundaries, chasing futuristic designs that could change the balance of power in the skies. Boeing Pelican, the mega cargo giant that never flew. The Boeing Pelican was a bold concept for one of the largest cargo aircraft ever imagined. Proposed in the early 2000s, this massive transport plane was designed to carry enormous and extremely heavy loads, far beyond what even the largest planes today can manage. Its role would have been to move oversized items like military tanks, massive infrastructure components, or other bulky cargo that's nearly impossible to ship by air. What made the Pelican even more unique was its flying boat design, giving it the ability to take off and land on water. This would have made it incredibly versatile, allowing it to operate in areas without big airports, perfect for military missions near coastlines or delivering supplies to remote regions. While it never made it past the concept stage, the Boeing Pelican remains one of the most ambitious ideas in aviation history. A reminder of just how far human imagination can go in rethinking air transport. Lazzarini Aircar, the Italian flying supercar. The Lazzarini Aircar looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Designed by Italian creator Pier Paolo Lazzarini, this sleek flying vehicle is built from lightweight carbon fiber and measures just 6 meters long, making it compact yet incredibly powerful. Its standout feature is the set of 4 rotatable Rolls-Royce jet engines, arranged in a 4x4 setup. Each engine can adjust its tilt and rotation independently, giving the aircar unmatched stability and agility in flight. It's projected to hit speeds of up to 750 km per hour and cover an impressive 1,200 km on jet fuel. The design blends cutting-edge aeronautical engineering with pure Italian style, aiming to create a new era in personal air transportation. Imagine skipping traffic entirely, soaring over cities or open landscapes at high speeds, all while riding in something that looks like a luxury supercar with wings. The Lazzarini Aircar redefines the meaning of travel freedom.